So how can we pass from the stars to the interstellar medium? I will not go into detail. If you have any questions.
So I have just given my talk here, and I would like to share with you what I have been telling all the audience. Basically, I work in laboratory astrochemistry, and I was talking about the formation of cosmic dust in the circumstellar envelopes of asymptotic giant branch stars. These are evolved stars and are the main factories of cosmic dust. What we are doing in the laboratory is to try to mimic the process of cosmic dust formation from atomic precursors. I have shown basically the formation of carbonaceous cosmic dust. That is quite interesting topic because the composition of this kind of dust is unknown. It has been a matter of debate for a long time, and it's still an open question. And our results in the laboratory points towards the formation of some kind of hydrogenated amorphous carbon material. The second part of the dust composition in carbon-rich AGVs, it's silicon carbide, and we have made some experiments to try to understand what are the molecular precursors of silicon carbide dust. And from our experiments, we have seen that SiC2, silicon dicarbide, that is a molecule that has been detected in these special objects in AGV stars. It's the main molecular precursor of silicon carbide dust. And we have been able also to identify the composition of silicon carbide, which we expect that it would not only be pure silicon carbide, but also hydrogenated silicon carbide dust grains. This is highly speculative, but we are working together with astronomers to decipher if this is okay or if it's not real.